Walmart Family Mobile is a prepaid wireless service that offers flexible plans for staying connected. Temporary suspensions typically occur due to unpaid balances, insufficient funds in your account, or flags from suspected fraud. To restore service quickly, use the Walmart Family Mobile app or website, which has reduced restoration times to about 4 hours compared to 12 hours by phone. First, check your account status through the app or website to see the specific reason for suspension. If there's an outstanding balance, add funds using credit or debit cards, PayPal, or Walmart gift cards. For fraud-related suspensions, verify your identity using your SSN or account PIN. Minors may need parental consent. After payment or verification, service usually resumes automatically, but manual reactivation may be needed for prolonged suspensions. Ensure your device is compatible, especially with 5G networks, and avoid excessive data usage to prevent future suspensions. To avoid suspensions, proactively manage your account. Set up autopay and monitor your balance regularly. In the future, Walmart plans to integrate biometric authentication for faster restorations. Also, look out for integration with Walmart Plus loyalty programs, which could offer perks like automatic top-ups. Walmart is focusing on user-friendly apps. Digital self-service will improve suspension handling by as much as 50%, with simple fixes reaching a 90% success rate through the app. If you think you were incorrectly suspended, use the dispute feature, which is also available on the app. This resolved 80% of similar issues, according to a 2024 Walmart report.